I'm Dr. Vandana Narula. I'm the president of the IMA Gurgaon, Dr. Sarika Verma, and we have all the members of IMA here gathered around. Today we are celebrating or we are protesting. So it's a protest day today for us. It is all over the country. We are protesting against the violence which is happening for the doctors. In spite of the pandemic, the doctors working full time, devoting all their time for the patients. This violence is not stopped. The violence is still happening. And we are also protesting against Lala Ramdev's remarks against allopathic doctors that allopathy is a stupid science and Ayurveda is better. So this is a protest day we are doing for the whole country today.
I am Dr. Sarika Verma. 1,500 doctors have died in COVID duty in the last 1.5 years. In every other country, doctors are respected and people are grateful when their patients are come out of the hospital. It's only in India that every time a doctor dies of COVID, people start attacking the doctors and start breaking hospital property. I think it's enough time. When all of you did not look after your own patients and isolated yourself in COVID duty, whenever someone had COVID, all of us were there inside the hospital looking after your loved ones to the last minute. It's important to understand that a civil society cannot have violence. So we are going to request, if you think that someone has died because of negligence, you will file a complaint. You will not raise a hand on any doctor ever. From today, we are requesting the government to have a zero tolerance policy on violence on doctors. Not a single doctor's blood should be shed from now on. ये white coat जो है white रहेगा, इस पे अपना खून नहीं बहेगा. So we are requesting everybody to please save the saviors. We are asking for a Central Protection Act for all health workers, whether it is ambulance workers, whether it's nurses, technicians or doctors. And we request a zero tolerance policy. We have also been asking for Indian medical services. It is time that the Indian government put that in place so that we don't have a shortage like we've had in the last 2 waves and so that India is better prepared to handle the COVID pandemic in future.